Okay, Monday, July 26th, 2021, first day of trading week. Let me just go over NRXP. That was a nice short squeeze on Friday. Failed to continue. I did have some expectation it was going to keep going, but it just failed. You can see here, put in a solid red day today. I'll look for a potential multi-day break if it could bounce back tomorrow. If it keeps fading, maybe I'll look for a multi-day bounce. Didn't totally spike the way as much as I wanted, but right around 300%, close to it. So I'll still look for a multi-day bounce probably if we get one tomorrow. Um, but let's just focus on today now. Woke up. There were tickers on my scanner, like five, I believe, or six. Nothing set up beautifully. Overall markets were down most of the day. Bitcoin was running. I don't trade any Bitcoin stocks. I've been burned many times in the past, and I just want nothing to do with it. Uh, Regardless, we do have a solid opportunity here. I did not play it. I just want to go over it. So we can look back at this with any lessons. Solid high at daybreak over 595, and it was just a slow grind all the way to the mid nines. Here we go. We have not much overhead resistance as the volume is just pretty weak with all of this. Um, Really, the resistance is back up in the 25s, 30 area. Um, Obviously, it will face some here around 20. Whole dollar. It will it will really psychologically scare some people around this level here. Um, or it could, give people more optimism and keep it going until that next resistance level. But yeah, all of this, not much going on, so had some range, but not touching it. Beautiful play, really. Just held trend, just have to be patient. Solid play on the day. Besides that, there was only NCTY as another play. Um, if we're going to be detail oriented here, this one did not fit the criteria to a T, so I ignored it. Here's the overall chart. Some spiking in the past, so it is a name people will remember when it pops up. It does have some range as well. I would say the resistance here closer to 20. Maybe tomorrow could pull out another move. We could make a previous high daybreak or something. It's got a solid double top up at around 14. So we'll see if it comes back to that. It's got a decent float. Market cap isn't huge, but wasn't perfect according to data. So yeah, I've been tracking it for a little bit. I really get the 100 million market cap from Tim Grattani, because first that's where I got this pattern mainly from. His trading tickers too. But I started tracking it, seeing how they really work, and definitely the lower market cap, lower float, the way to go. You get much better spikes. As you can see here, this one did offer a solid move, but you're going to also have to be a little patient, go through some choppiness. It did hold trend, so, only broke it right here into the close. Besides that, it held up, so might be a play tomorrow, might not be. I really am excited about this play to go over. It's just an insane play, up over 200% after hours, all on news of a new president and CEO being named. Here we go, reaching, wow, okay, new highs on the year, ridiculous. So we'll see what this does tomorrow. If it just holds up, it might be a solid open price play, or or if we look at the market cap, could be a high day break, midday, late day, low float. So this one was wild. I was considering getting a position in the 630s, but this was up so much. And it's just after hours on what I thought was going to be fluff news, but it kept going another 50% plus. um, it is what it is, but this is kind of exciting. Might bring in more plays on the week. This is healthcare sector here. That's really what I'm looking for tomorrow. It's kind of just been quiet. I've just been so bored all day. I'm starting to work. Just kind of started to outline here of a guide for the future to really have a detailed guide for people to follow, to learn from. Here's my unfinished watch list, unstarted pretty much. Yeah, so I'm kind of rambling. There's not really much going on today. Just those couple plays. I didn't trade anything again today. I didn't see anything worth it. The momentum wasn't really there. So hopefully tomorrow we get some plays and they set up. Because even though to me, like the market has been kind of quiet this past week, there still have been spikers. There's been NRXP, Neuro, which I'm going to look for a multi-day bounce tomorrow. Kept an eye on it today. Did not work out. Thank God I did not enter that thing. Get faked out on this play here. And it just faded. So here's the overall chart. We got that solid spike last week. And now just going to look for the reversal. Yeah, just a waiting game. So potential plays coming up this week. Or we'll see what happens in the morning. Any new plays. Besides that, just sitting on my hands. So good time to just study, go over past video lessons, take screenshots and study patterns, what's going on. Yeah, you can see here, just getting filled up a little bit more, so that's kind of nice to see. How does it? Oh, okay. Well, this is all off. Okay. Yeah, this is it. So that's it for the day. Couple plays. Bitcoin's running. It's back to 40K. So Bitcoin stocks are running. I'm not gonna touch those. Just gotta stick to my rules. My rules have really kept me on the sideline for this past week, and it's been frustrating. But you know, I've been burned many times, and that's how I got these rules that keep me safe. So trading is not always an adrenaline rush. It's not fun every single day. You're not always making hundreds, thousands of dollars. There's gonna be time periods where it's calmer like this, and it's just time to kind of enjoy life. I made a blog post about it on our website here. If it could load. Jesus Christ. Okay. Oh, okay. Where are we at? Here we go. Okay, so this doesn't want to load. Can you please hurry up? Here we go. So yeah, I did this one today because I really had nothing to do. So I thought I would just put out what I thought others might want to hear, especially if newbies are watching these video lessons. Definitely. It's good to know when to act and when not to act. And right now we're getting a lesson on when not to act. So sit tight and just wait for the momentum to come back. There we go.